Morning guys, hope you're all well, hope you had a great week. Looking forward to the weekend ahead. We're meant to get a lot of rain, but we'll see what we can get up to, so come along. You can't beat a good lay-in on a weekend. Up us 5. John Beckybacks. All right. Give little Garfield his senior breakfast. It's got chicken and green beans. So this weekend, Mum gets her second jab, which is brilliant news. We've got to go to the food court in Norwich on Sunday evening. And today, we're hoping to go to our first car boot of the year, so fingers crossed. The weather's meant to be nice tomorrow, but they're predicting a lot of rain today and over the next 9 days in general, so brilliant. We might get a summer this year.
Well, we're now in the car. We are going to shoot into town, do a little bit of food shopping. I don't know how successful it's going to be because it is absolutely pouring with rain. I doubt that car boot's going to go ahead at all. Maybe some ducks wandering around there, who knows. But I'll see you in the town. Well, we're now in the town. It's absolute gorgeous weather. Morsey ain't hanging about. Right, quick browse in M&Co. Morsey's having a browse. Quick look at the men's bits. What do you think of these hats? Very summery. Hawaiian shirts. Must be a thing this year. Quite like that. We're just going to pop into Iceland, so we'll see you back home. Right, we're now back from a lovely wet walk around town. I'll show you a couple of bits we purchased on our travels. So for tonight, we got these pizza kits. We got one each, and you get the pizza dough and a sauce. And then for toppings, we've got some pepperoni, which we're going to have with pineapple. I know not everybody likes pineapple on a pizza, but we love it. And then on the other one, we've got some chicken and some mushrooms. So they should be decent. Oh, and don't forget the nom-noms. Right, let's give these a whirl. They look pretty decent. Right, here you go, the nom-noms. Mmm. Decent. Like a chocolatey cream on top.
What?
Tell you what, they clagged the old gob up, but I'll score them a 8 out of 10. Let's see what Morsey thinks. Right, let's see what Morsey thinks. What do you reckon?
Nice.
Out of 10?
Same as you, I think, 8.
Yeah. Well, we decided that instead of just sitting about, we're going to go and have a look in Holt Garden Centre. So, we'll see you there. Oh, Mr. Camera. Well, we're here. Oh! They changed all the entrance. Looks decent. It's good to get out of the blooming rain. Nice, Mars? This is all totally different from when we come last time. It's absolutely enormous. We're done with these for today. I love all these metal signs. So cool. Oh, this is awesome. Old Ford.
Only come before they did other ones.
Got some fun little garden ornaments over here, look at these. They're awesome. That elephant's good. This one's cute. Another nice little indoor section. Nice pots. There you are, Chelsea. Got some nice cactuses here. Lovely jams and preserves. Banoffee curd. Oh, we've got pickles in that as well. Spicy tomato salsa. Here's some more oldie worldy metal type things in here. Quite cool. Metal stags. Just nearly tripped over. Oh, these are nice. Although this is quite creepy. Oh, I like the fox. He's nice. Mr. Badger.
It's nice.
Here, Lauren, you like these jugs. Another room with loads of clothing and things. Got a garden terrace cafe. That looked nice through there. We did have something to eat before we come out though, so we may check this out another time. Right, so now I've got to tempt this back to the car. I think we'll see you when we're back home in the dry. Well, we're now back, nice, warm and dry. Looks like they spent quite a lot of money on that Holt Garden Centre. It's absolutely massive. Done a really good job. And I picked up some spicy tomato salsa. So I'm going to have some of that now. Lovely old job. Gonna finish lunch off with this little beauty. Well, we've opted for a movie and we're watching this Love and Monsters on Netflix. See what this is like. Well, that's Love and Monsters finished. That weren't too bad, a bit of fun. Yeah, I think it's worth a go. Right, so let's have a crack at making these pizzas. Right, let's have a look at this pizza kit. Oh, well, there's your dough. Here's your sauce you get with it. Right, so firstly, we're gonna fry off some mushrooms and onions, because on one of the pizzas we're having mushroom, onion and chicken. And then on the other one, we're having pineapple and pepperoni, and then we're just going to split them both in half. Oh, that smells so good. Well, this is my pizza dough all rolled out, and I've folded up the edges, make a bit of a crust on it. Marzie's now doing her pizza dough. Her folds look a little bit more professional than mine, I have to admit. Right, Marzie's starting off on hers with some tomato paste, tomato sauce, whatever you call it. Slap it on, gal. You put on however much you want, my dear. Battle of the pizzas here, this is serious stuff. Now she's adding some chicken. Great old chunks. Looking good, Marza. Now she's adding mushrooms and red onion mix. This is going to be so good. Look at that yummy goodness. And we've got cheese to go yet. Well, she's now adding some Dairy Lee triangle. She wants a bit of creaminess to it. And lastly, some good old mature cheddar. There you go, that's that one ready for the oven. The reason why I was starting off with dairy triangles is because when I was in America, I went to this pizzeria place and they put cheese, which is basically exactly like dairy triangles, on the base first. And it made the pizza so creamy, it's delicious. So I'm stealing their idea. Adding the tomato sauce, loads of that. Next up, these giant pepperonis. Slap these all over it. Bit of MasterChef going on. Then we're going to go pineapple. Pineapple's not everybody's favourite thing on pizza, but we absolutely love it. And the trouble with bought ham and pineapple, you never get enough. So doing it fresh like this, you can really slap it on. So this will be delicious. And like I say, with both pizzas, we're going to go half and half, so we get to try each other's masterpieces. And then, just like Marzi's, gonna finish it off with some lovely mature cheddar. I'm gonna get plenty on here. And there it is, ready for the oven. In goes the next one. 20 minutes, they'll be done. Right, when they're cooked, they're both going to be delicious. But comment below which one you think's going to be the tastiest.
Mine, of course.
Well. Ooh, look at that beauty. Delish, deep dish. Right, so proof will be in the eating. Which one do you think looks the best? Well, I have to say, they were probably two of the best pizzas we've ever had. They were absolutely delicious. I can't see me wanting to buy ready-made pizzas anymore. They were so simple to do. And as far as the competition's concerned, I'd say they're a draw because they're both so different, and they, like I say, they were just yum.
So that'll do it for today, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Morning guys, happy Sunday. We're going to start the morning off with a little walk along the promenade and the beach into East Runton. It's an absolute gorgeous day, so we're going to do that, have a spot of lunch, and then we've got to take this one up to Norwich to get her second jab. See the lifeboat in the background, now approaching the pier. Yeah, it's meant to be a mini heat wave just for today. Going to get up to about 19 degrees, which is really nice. And then the forecast is saying for all of next week, heavy rain. So not brilliant, but hopefully the weather today is the start of things to come. Right, Marzi's now going to get down on the beach, but she's got to get down this huge staircase. Yep, she's on. The walk we're now doing, it's only about a 2-mile loop. But it's just nice to be able to get out and actually feel the sun on you. There's a slight breeze, but it's really, really warm. I just can't wait for the weather to actually pick up and actually stay hot. Actually get a summer. Well, that's how far we've walked so far, about a mile. We're now passing this big stony like island. We've walked across this in the past. And then when we get down at the end here, see these caravans, there's a slope going up there, and that's the way we're gonna head. Quite cool little rock pools. You sometimes get a lot of
crabs and things in here. Not going to look for them today, but I'll come back in summer when we get more nice weather. Maybe spend the day on the beach. Well, it's a little bit busier now we're in East Runton. People walking their dogs. There's even some people out there on surfboards. When it's high tide here, you actually get some pretty decent waves. This is where I come when I do my bodyboarding. I'm definitely going to do that again when the summer kicks in. Just such a good laugh. We're going to head up this slope here. Well, that was a lovely walk on the beach. The weather's absolutely gorgeous, but we're going to jump now to being in Norwich for Mum to get her jab. So we'll see you there. Right, we're now at the Mall. We've got to go up to the food court for Marzi to get her second jab. So here we go. Oh, well, that's good. I can actually go up with Marzi. We're going up. And here she comes, all done. We were only in there about 5 minutes. It's brilliant. All good? Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I'm super glad Mum's got her second jab. If she's lucky, I'll let her have a go on that little boat there. But as for the vlog, that's it for the weekend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye. Bye.